Every process begins far beneath the surface. Raw material is identified before production can begin. Every section is cataloged with precision. Tons of raw ore move continuously through the site.
The first transfer begins before sunrise ends.
Every shipment is measured before entering the chain.
Large formations are reduced for controlled handling. Containment systems operate alongside every machine.
Raw material now enters the controlled production ecosystem. The journey forward never fully stops.
Moisture separates material for the next stage.
The extracted mixture begins its controlled transition. Transfer systems keep the operation in constant motion. Security and industry move together inside the facility. Preparation determines the consistency of everything ahead. Human oversight guides every automated movement.
Beyond this point, the material enters the heart of the operation. Beyond this point, the material enters the heart of the operation.
Controlled transport begins under constant supervision. Every transfer follows a tightly monitored sequence.
Arrival marks another controlled transition inside the system. Nothing leaves the site without verification. Security remains inseparable from industrial production.
The material now travels deeper into the production chain.
Transport routes are engineered for uninterrupted movement. The material enters the controlled interior environment. Every route is engineered for uninterrupted movement. Automation supports the continuous industrial flow.
Inside these walls, industrial precision takes control.
Separation systems prepare the material for conversion. Cleaning systems operate alongside every movement. Continuous inspection keeps the facility stable. Every transition remains controlled.
The process moves deeper into transformation.
Every input must remain balanced. The material changes form before separation.
Preparation continues before the main process begins.
Ahead lies the core of the operation. Precision begins inside controlled rotation.
Human supervision remains essential at every stage.
Movement through the system never stops. Each stage pushes the process forward. Small adjustments control enormous systems. The operation advances towards secured storage.
Pressure stability keeps the operation synchronized.
Verification follows every stage of production.
Refined material enters controlled collection. Temperature control protects the process.
Recovery systems maintain efficiency. Testing continues while production remains active.
Automation keeps the facility moving without interruption.
The process repeats across interconnected halls.
Controlled routing determines the final movement. Constant inspection protects continuous operation. Refined material enters final containment. Thousands of systems operate in synchronized motion. Prepared material moves toward controlled dispatch.